What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're out here with the Vega that is extremely dirty. So we have all of the sensors in, and we have some wiring done. Get a shot of that down there. Some of the wiring is in. We have just a lot of stuff to do still, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got the nuts welded in there and painted, and just doing some more wiring over there, slowly but surely. Now I will get the isolators, or whatever you want to call them, and we will get that done. Now we're going to go on to making some battery cables. Alright guys, we got the battery cables run and up over the tub and down to there, just coiled up. Haven't cut them yet, but yeah, so those are set up. Just a lot more wiring to do. Alright guys, so we got all the harnesses out and started organizing them together here. So we got like part of it's going to the back and to the front, and we have everything organized, and like these are going to go everywhere because they're the 5-volt sensor things. So just like we said, a lot of wiring. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.